Hey guys, I'm doing a review on my 5 Lego City sets. Okay, first I'm going to do this one. I'm going to try to get this through fast. Okay, here's a buoy. Sorry about my sister. And here's the boats. Here's a windsurfer. Here's the lifeguard's buggy. Here's the lifeguard binoculars. And here's some steps. And here's the shop, flippers, life jackets. And here's the Paradise Cafe. And here there's like a menu, and I can't see it. Okay, here I'm going to, okay, so here's my train station. Here's like the main station, and here's some passengers, and here's some soapers. And here's some like train lights, I guess. And here's some lights, steps. Like I don't know what that's called, city. Okay, I'm going to move on to my city police station. Okay, here's a motorcycle. Okay, here's a buggy, 2 buggies actually. And they're really cool because this has a bumper and this has a walkie-talkie on the back. Here's the prisoner transporter. Here's the mobile police unit, prison door. Here's the city police helicopter, camera. Okay, here's a minifigure. Here's my first police station. Here's a guy with a key, locking him up. There's some cooks in here, a bed, and here's one of the main vehicles. Here's the canine unit, or dog van, whatever you want to call it. Here's a buggy, another. Okay, and that's all for that. One more. Yay. Okay, here's my truck. Here's like a bomb. A guy in there. And here's a driller guy, and This is like something like a vehicle you can look in the mine. And I really like these new track pieces. And here's the crane. And here are the conveyor belts. Door opens. That's it. Thanks for watching.